博士在巡警现场 ，Hanky Spanky。嘿。
Don't know what you're saying. Oh, not another word, just la 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 la. just got home from uni and fallen on my arse. The first year's over, jobless money's disappearing fast. Missing it like mad, I feel a bit destroyed. Then suddenly the realization hit me, I need to get employed. So I printed off a CV, got up and looked around, but initially employment was nowhere to be found. Then I got a phone call saying, we need you, you're in. Sign on the dotted line, and from that moment here in, I worked at sportsdirect.com, the UK's #1, where the senior staff are moody and customers are dumb. I gave the worst advice you're ever gonna hear, but I can't speak English, so my conscience is clear. Drama's never far around the corner at sportsdirect.com.